Good morning, my dear kids. First of all, congratulations to all of you. Do you know why I congratulate you? Don't know? Don't worry, I will tell you. I congratulate you because you all got promoted to the next class. And now your online classes have started. I know you are so excited for the result. But don't worry, as I told you that you all got promoted, so now we have to start treating. I know you are so excited for school opening, but due to COVID-19, your school has not opened. That's why again you have to start studying online classes. So we will start our class. Let me tell you one thing, I'm so happy because you did a fantastic job in this pandemic situation. All have taken the online classes, then you gave the exam and you did a great job. And I know you will cooperate for the next session again. So now we will start our class. Before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. Some of you know me, but some doesn't. So, I am Shweta Badhel, your English teacher. So now we can start our class. I know some of you have course, but some of you have not the course. So first of all, let me show you your book. This is your English book, as you can see. This is your English book. You have to start studying. Our first chapter is...
So my dear students, this is your English book. Now let's open your book. Here you have to write your name, your class, your section, your roll number and then your school name. After that, we will open book. Here is the contents. These are your chapters which we will read in the whole session. Chapter first, Who will be Ning Thao? So the first chapter, Who will be Ning Thao, is a beautiful story. When we read the story, we will feel like it's a comic story. So the story is taken from the Manipur. First of all, I will tell you something about Manipur. Manipur is a state of India located in northeastern part of the country. मणिपुर इंडिया का एक स्टेट है जो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट में है. इसके नॉर्थ साइड में नागालैंड, वेस्ट साइड में असम एंड साउथ वेस्ट साइड में मिजोरम और साउथ साइड में म्यांमार है. द नेम मणिपुर मीन्स लैंड ऑफ जेम्स. इस स्टेट की बेसिकली जो इकोनॉमी है वो एग्रीकल्चर और फॉरेस्ट्री पर डिपेंड करती है. और द मेन लैंग्वेज ऑफ द स्टेट इज मीटियाई. दिस इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ मणिपुर. On your screen there are some pictures of Manipur. As you can see how beautiful they look. So it's all about Manipur. Now we will start the chapter. Before moving ahead, we'll read some words to help us to understand the chapter. So as you can see on your screen, here are some words which we have to read. The first word is announcement, and the spelling of announcement is ANNOUNCEMENT. Announcement. Repeat after me. ANNOUNCEMENT. Announcement. That means a written or a spoken statement to inform about something. For example, there was an announcement saying that the train would be late by 2 hours, and its Hindi meaning is Ghoshna. Then the second word, contest. C-O-N-T-E-S-T, contest. Repeat after me, contest. That means competition in which people try to win something. A competition where everyone is trying to win. And its Hindi mean Pratyogita. Then the third word, declared. D-E-C-L-A-R-E-D, declared. Declared means said something publicly or officially. And its Hindi mean Ghoshit. There is a difference between announcement and declared. Then the fourth word, distance. D-I-S-T-A-N-S-E, distance. Distance means space between two places or things. For example, the distance from my house to my school is very less. And its Hindi mean is duri. Then the fifth word, future. F-U-T-U-R-E, future. Future means the time that will come after the present. And its Hindi mean bhavishya. Then the last word, huge. H-U-G-E, huge. Huge means very large in a size, a thing which is very large. And the Hindi mean is bada. So these are some words which we have read, and you have to write these words in your notebook. And now we will start reading the chapter. Chapter name is Who Will Be Ningthao. I have told you about the story. The story is related to Manipur, and in the Manipur the king is called Ningthao, and the queen is called Liama. So let's start the story. Long, long ago, in the land of Kanglipak in मणिपुर, बहुत समय पहले कैंगलीपक मणिपुर में there lived a Ningthao and a Liama. वहाँ एक निंगथाओ and लियामा रहते थे. That means a king and a queen. They were loved dearly by the people. People of their state loved them. They, on their part, never stopped thinking about their म्याम. वो लोग अपने पार्ट पर कभी अपने लोगों के लिए सोचना नहीं भूलते थे. Our म्याम should be happy. और उन्होंने कहा हमारा जो स्टेट है उसके जो पीपल हैं वो हैप्पी रहना चाहिए. The Ningthao said that. Then the Liama means queen said everybody in Kanglipak should live in peace. Not only the people but the birds, animals and trees too. See how kind the Liam was. She thought that everybody should live in peace, even the animal, world and trees. जो वहाँ की क्वीन थी वो सोचती थी कि सभी बहुत अच्छे से रहें. नॉट ओनली पीपल, सिर्फ वहाँ के लोग ही नहीं, वहाँ के एनिमल्स, वर्ल्ड, ट्रीज सब बहुत अच्छे से रहें. द Ningthao and Liama had 3 sons, Sanajoba, Sanayama and Sanatomba, and a daughter, Sanatombi. She was a lovely child, very gentle and loving. As we can see in the picture, Ningthao, Liama and his daughter Senatombi, and these are the three sons of them, Senajoba, Sanayama and Senatomba. Year went by and the children grew up well. टाइम निकलता गया और वो बच्चे बड़े होते गए. Then one day the Ningthao called his chief minister. फिर एक दिन किंग ने अपने चीफ मिनिस्टर को बुलाया. As we can see, here is the chief minister. Then the king said, "It's time to decide the Tungi Ningthao, the future king." और फिर किंग ने कहा अब ये टाइम आ गया है नेक्स्ट निंगथाओ डिसाइड करने का. कौन फ्यूचर किंग होगा ये डिसाइड करने का टाइम आ गया है. देन द चीफ मिनिस्टर रिप्लाइड, व्हाट इज देयर टू डिसाइड? योर एल्डेस्ट सन विल बी अ फ्यूचर किंग. एंड ही सेड, देयर इज नथिंग टू डिसाइड, योर एल्डेस्ट सन विल बी द निंगथाओ. और उसने कहा इसमें डिसाइड करने जैसा कुछ नहीं है, आपका बड़ा बेटा किंग बनेगा. The Ningthao replied, "That's how it happened in the olden days." And he said, ऐसा पुराने टाइम में होता था. But today we will select a king who is the most worthy of become a king. But now we will select a king who is more capable. अब वो एक ऐसा किंग चूज करेंगे जो इसके लायक हो. सो देयर वॉज अ कॉन्टेस्ट, अ हॉर्स रेस. फिर उन्होंने एक कंपटीशन रखा, कॉन्टेस्ट. आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट कॉन्टेस्ट. उन्होंने हॉर्स रेसिंग का कॉन्टेस्ट रखा. हुएवर रीच्ड द खोंगनेन द banyan tree फर्स्ट वुड बी डिक्लेयर्ड तुंगी निंगथाओ. और उन्होंने कहा जो banyan tree के पास सबसे पहले पहुंचेगा वो न्यू निंगथाओ होगा. देन Toba, Sanayama and Senatomba were expert riders. लोग बहुत अच्छे राइडर्स थे. And all three reached the finish line at the same time. और वो तीनों जो फिनिश लाइन थी जहां उन्हें पहुंचना था एकदम करेक्ट टाइम पर पहुंचे. My son, do something different each. My sons, do something different, each one of you, so that we can decide who will be Tungi Ningthao. और उन्होंने कहा अपने बेटों से कि तुम कुछ डिफरेंट करो जिससे हम किंग का पता आसानी से लगा सकें. Senajoba mounted his horse and held his spear strength in front of him. He looked at the huge Khongnang standing majestically at a distance. He pierced the tree and jumped his horse right through it. सेनाजोबा था, उसने क्या किया, वो पहले अपने हॉर्स के साथ खड़ा हुआ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से और फिर उसने जो ट्री था उसको बीच से इस तरह से पियर्स्ड किया और फिर उसके अंदर से निकल गया. We can see in the picture. He jumped his horse right through it. Now it was the turn of second son, Sanayama. He rode towards the tree harder and harder. When he was close, he jumped clear over the huge tree and landed on other side. इसके बाद जो सेनायामा था उसकी टर्न थी तो वो अपने हॉर्स के साथ उस ट्री के पास आया और उस हॉर्स से जंप किया और इस तरह से ट्री के ऊपर से जंप कर नेक्स्ट साइड आ गया. Now it was the turn of the youngest son. अब उसके सबसे छोटे बेटे की बारी थी. Senatomba. He too rode his horse toward the Khongnang and uprooted it. वो भी अपने हॉर्स के साथ उस ट्री के पास गया और उसने उस ट्री को उखाड़ लिया. Triumphantly he carried the tree to the Ningthao and Liama and laid it at their feet. और उसने उस ट्री को जो किंग और क्वीन थे उनके फीट में लाकर रख दिया। The people grew restless. Why were the Ningthao and Liama taking so long to make the announcement? I have told you about announcement. लोग थे वो बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे कि किंग और क्वीन अनाउंसमेंट करने में इतनी देर क्यों लगा रहे हैं। Then the Ningthao and Liama were watching Sanatombi. She stared sadly at the Kongnang which lay dead on the ground. फिर जो किंग और क्वीन थे वो सैनाटॉम्बी को देख रहे थे जो बहुत दुखी होकर उस ट्री को देख रही थी। Birds flapped around it. चिड़ियाँ उस पेड़ के आसपास उड़ रही थी। Searching for their home in the tree because वो अपना घर देख रही थी जो उस ट्री में था। The Kongnang is dead. जो ट्री था वो डेड हो चुका था। It was first hurt by the spear and now it's dead. पहले वो हर्ट हुआ और बाद में वो मर गया। The Ningthao stood up. इसके बाद जो निंगथाओ थे वो उठे, मीन्स जो किंग थे वो उठे। Looked at the three boys. उन्होंने अपने तीनों बेटों को देखा। He looked at the little girl. फिर उन्होंने अपनी छोटी सी बेटी को देखा। If anybody is worthy of become the ruler, अगर कोई किंग बनने लायक है, it is Sanatombi. और उन्होंने कहा वो है Sanatombi. Sanatombi feels the pain of others. उसे दूसरों का पेन फील हुआ। She feels the pain of the people, the animals, the birds and the trees. उसे लोगों का पेन फील होता है, एनिमल्स का, वर्ड्स का, ट्रीज का, सबका पेन फील होता है। दैट्स वाई ही इज वर्थी ऑफ बिकम द निंगथाओ फेल। एवरीवन टर्न टू लुक एट द लिटिल गर्ल। सब उस लिटिल गर्ल को देख रहे थे। देयर फ्यूचर क्वीन, जो कि उनकी फ्यूचर में रानी बनने वाली थी। देयर शी स्टूड, वो वहां खड़ी थी। Like a small Kongnong with birds flying all around her. All around her, birds उसके चारों ओर उड़ रही थी। They sat on her shoulder and on her head. वो birds उसके shoulder पर बैठी। She smiled at them. वो उन्हें देखकर हंसी। A Liama is one who doesn't hurt anybody. Then the Ningthao say, a Liama, a queen is the one who doesn't hurt anybody. एक क्वीन कभी किसी को हर्ट नहीं करती। I declare Sanatombi the future Liama of Kangli Pug. और उन्होंने सैनाटोम्बी को फ्यूचर लियामा डिक्लेयर कर दिया। So what is the moral of the story? A true leader is not someone who has power and strength, but one who has the wisdom to use it correctly. So here the chapter is complete. In the next video we will do exercise and grammar portion. Till then write the word meaning in your notebook and revise all the chapter carefully and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.